This roasted lemon Parmesan green bean recipe is just what you've been looking for. Simply tossing the green beans with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper, and then adding them to a preheated oven is all it takes to prepare these unadomed beauties. A sprinkle of Parmesan and a few more minutes in the oven and you'll be ready. An easy, delicious last-minute side dish for your next dinner. These wholesome veggies are the perfect accompaniment for chicken, fish, roast. There really is no wrong way to pair these with your main course. These make the perfect addition to any holiday meal, barbecue, or Sunday dinner on the patio. Once you bite into these roasted, still crispy, slightly tangy green beans, make sure you know the location of your nearest farmer's market, as you will be visiting often for another helping of fresh green beans.